My one kid poems flowers are blooming at the early morning. There are various colors in the large garden. The various colors red, orange, pink, blue, green, yellow, purple and just so look beauty. It attracted show our mind in the different flowers garden in the area such as rainbow colors come down from the sky. My one kid poem I writing and curious to these poems. Butterflies are a part of natural insect. Showcase a group their creatures on the flowers they lash out from the eggs. They are participate to growing up the brightness of flowers. So they are creatures in the various flowers. So they are intelligent insects have the pretty colorful wings. They are increase the brightness of flowers. The nature looks so beauty. My one kid poems. The nature looks so beauty. The sunlight over the head. Trees are organized flowers and leaves. The foggy grasses. The grasshoppers flutters so almost cheered on looks attracted on the characteristics on nature. The birds are sheltered and case a nest in the branches of trees. They are participate to show beauty at the nature. Conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am well. How are you? I am not well. Why are you not well? I am suffering for the disease. What is the disease? I am suffering for the headache and fever. So I want to meeting and seeing you. Okay, I shall go to for visit to you. I am very worried to have listenings about your conditions. Yes, mom. Other conversations. Hi Rajiv, how are you? I have listened that you have getting say private jobs and you are very busy. Yes, I have participated in a job and it has the far difference from my living place, so I am very busy, have a hard work. Yes. Others conversations. Hi Rita, how are you? I am not well, but why are you not well? I have been suffering for the disease. What is the disease? Have you suffering? I have been suffering for the disease, headache and fever. So I shall decide what should be to do for my hard work in office. Okay, but I suggested to you should be do an appointment for the doctors and you shall go to the doctors for the recovery. Yes, it is the right suggestions. Hi Rina, what was your exams? You are very brilliant, so I hope that your exams are so good. But my exams was not so good. There have the difficult various questions. What the exams was not so good. My mathematics exam was not so good. There was the various different questions problem. So I am worried. But not you are worried. You should be to thank for also the next examinations. Yes. Other conversations. Hi mom, can I help to you? You have the hard work, so I feeling bad. Yes, can you help to me? But at first, you finishing your home task. Yes. Then I help to you. Yes. But what would my work? Please you clean the table and organize to the bookshelf. Hi Rani, where are you going to? I am going to the library. What are the books have you take? I shall take the books are story books. Okay. Are you interested to the story books? Yes. It is more like on me. Yes. Hi sir, may I come in? Yes, come here and take your seat. Yes. Why are you interested to participate in this job? I am very interested to participate in this job because I am thinking it is a very good job and ideal job. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 5. I am deserved 40,000 salary only. Yes. Others conversations. How do you keep security to your children inside? I should be keep security to my children inside from the kitchen's burning fire and electricity, gas cylinder, gas oven, switchboard and plug point. Hi mom. Hi ma'am. May I coming? Yes, come here. What do you say? I want to shall deposit to this fish book for admissions of my child. Yes, please look at me. Give your fish book. Please check in the fish books. Others conversations. Hi mom, what are you doing? I am digging a hole. Why are you digging a hole? I am digging a hole for plant a tree. What is the tree are you digging? I am plant the apple tree. Wow, it is the nice tree. I like the apples. But what is grow up? It grows up at first and slowly. So we should be to take careful of this plant. Hi Ram, please open your book and 13th page. You should be take carefully pay attention to my instructions. I understand and explain about it. Please take carefully to have listenings. Yes, sir. I have been listening to about it to your instructions and I understood then to it all. Please bring your home touch coffee. Yes, there have some mistakes. Please read corrections to it. Hi Rita, why are you not attend in this computer class for a long time? I could not attend in this computer class because I was not well. I was sick and I was admitted into the hospitals and so I could not attend in this computer class. So I missed to all everything in this class. How do you spending on the tomorrow? I am decided that I shall go to the zoo and spending on the whole days with the animals. There should be so gathered and I spending very enjoyous with the all animals. And I have an arranged a picnic in this ground of the zoo.